I gotta say, that's power. Wow, that's an addition. What the? Okay, that's a rotary mill. Circular saw. Now, go up top. Here we go. What's going on? How you doing? Not bad, not bad. I've been wanting to get down here for some time.
Is that right? Where did you come from?
I just went down to Mosier River, but I'm fascinated by this stuff, and I was here about 10 years ago, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? And I think this is one of the most incredible, simplest, fantastic.
Yeah,
it takes longer. I mean, let's face it. I mean, commercially, it's not viable.
Well,
but
yeah. Well, I mean, if a couple guys own this,
yep.
maybe got the gearing so that you were a little quicker.
Yeah.
Indexed it a little quicker, and then put two blades on.
Yes. Yeah.
Then
you got plenty of power. I mean, it's
usually 55 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
All we're going to do is make sure both blades are super sharp all the time.
Yes.
Every day, keep them sharp.
Yeah.
And then just, I think you could make a living at this quite well.
Yes. Well,
the biggest thing is, of course, it takes a building like this.
Yeah.
But then you could also be having a spin-off thing so that while that's doing its thing, you're
building it up.
You're making something. Yeah. You would.
Well, like if you built something like this and built the saw first.
Yeah.
And then built the structure as you went along. But it's just an absolutely brilliant machine.
Yeah, it is. It's working quite good. Well, our belts are a little sloppy now.
Yeah.
But I mean.
Now, do you have problems getting belts and stuff?
Not really. It's just a matter of having the initiative to maybe diminish it. Okay, let's do an overall with every belt done, and line the pulleys, maybe whatever new pulleys. Make sure your belts. Because I mean, this is pretty well. When that was first set up in '69 by Peter Green, the original guy that did the restoration for the replica of the original. They virtually didn't go down very far. No. I mean, those belts, everything was so perfectly set up. He was a pro. He wasn't didn't have papers, but he had sawdust in his veins.
Yeah, well, he probably started doing it when he was a kid.
He grew right in.
Yeah. Oh, this is a brilliant machine. Like, I mean, and the way she's ratcheting it over.
I know,
right?
Yeah.
You know.
And you see that pivot over at the end, at the corner there, see where the holes are?
Yes.
See, the higher up you go, the more you would have this moving quicker. See, this is going quarter of a minute, roughly. Quarter of a minute to move. Now, the higher you go, you'd have more rock there.
Yes.
So that would push that wheel and maybe a couple more cogs. So you'd be going quicker.
Yes. Well, it's a brilliant machine.
And everything runs off. But that winch from water power. Just throw it back on. Like we got the line shaft that comes off the main crank.
Yeah.
Crank turning, the pulley goes from that crank to that line shaft and then runs all those cogs. And then you got your balancer, at the end that's running. What's that running? Oh, that's running this.
Runs this, yeah. And it can run the circular saw down below.
Yeah. See, we just hook this on and away we go.
Yeah. Oh no, the belt system is an absolutely, I have a belt turned soap bend lathe at home, right? And it's run on an electric motor, but I mean it's the design that was designed in 1906 or whenever it was. The design goes back that far.
A lathe?
It's metal lathe, yeah.
Oh yeah, a metal lathe.
Yeah, I'm a machinist.
Oh, right.